Sipho says. Try this fun, simple, and active game as a way for you and your child to practice listening and following instructions. So, start you as the leader first. The leader calls out different instructions. It could be anything. Explain that if the leader says, Sipho says, touch your nose, then you have to touch your nose. But if the leader says, touch your nose, then you mustn't do it. And if they do it, then there's a funny consequence. So a funny consequence could be singing a song or doing some push-ups. So let's try. Sipho says, wiggle your nose. Sipho says, be a monkey. Sipho says, run in slow motion. Run really fast. Hey, Sipho didn't say so. You have to do 3 star jumps. Go. Play it a few times and keep changing up the instructions. And then, when you've had a go at it, let your child be the leader.